Yeah, hello guys, I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so today I'm here to do a exchange to black markets arbitrage strategy. Yeah, so before I'll go straight to today's video on the 29th of this month, the class of November batch is happening live. Yeah, so every month we do crypto arbitrage for beginners. Every month. Yeah. So some of these people they can't afford the mentorship and stuff, so they just want to know what exactly entails. So they want to know much about the crypto arbitrage and stuff. That is why every month we host a class. Yeah, and it's just $10. It's just $10. Yeah, $10. Yeah, so this month is happening on the 29th of this month. Yeah, so I'll show you black market to exchange strategy, dollar arbitrage strategy, triangular arbitrage, same exchange arbitrage, card to bank arbitrage, exchange to exchange arbitrage. I will show you all these things, how it works and stuff. I will show you everything. Yeah, so today I'm about to do exchange to black market arbitrage, and this one, the reason why this one is for rich takers, as I always say. Yeah, and if you're a risk taker, this one is for you. Yeah, and as a beginner, you will need a mentorship, and if you need a mentorship, you chat me and I will guide you and I will show you more, as I always do. Yeah, so if you want my Telegram link, it's on my bio. If you're watching from YouTube, you can see it on the description. Yeah, and I'll also put it in the comment section as well. Yeah, and I also put the ticket link in the description as well. Yeah, so you see, the black market app is not regulated legally as this platform. This platform is OKX and it's regulated legally. Yeah, that is why I always tell people that they should go in for exchange to exchange with the boat. The boat is just $50 and you can trade as many as you want. It's unlimited. When the boat gives you signals, you trade as many as you want. Yeah, if you want it there. So I'm using BTC. The reason why, if I'm trading BTC on the black market, I use OKX is that OKX comes with low rates. Though I'm no more like working with OKX. Yeah, but frankly speaking, their rate is very cool. Yeah, so you can see that on here, BTC is what 102,517, and on the currency exchange is 112,770. So 112K, right? 112,760. Yeah, so it means that if I buy it on the OKX and I go to the currency exchange, I'll make profit. Yeah, and one thing about black market exchange is that you can start as low as $50. So if I'm trading with $50 here, $50 here, this is the amount of BTC I will get, right? So if I come to the platform to sell this BTC here, yeah, so let me sell my BTC here. So I'll be getting 54.94. So it means that $50 I've made $4 profit, right? So imagine if you're having $100, how much will you get? And one thing is that this $54, if you have $50, you can build the account. So this is what I always advise people. When you're a beginner and you don't have enough profit or enough capital, you have to what? Rebuild the capital. So when you trade and you get profit, add the profits to the capital. So right now I have 54. So if I'm about to trade again, I will trade with what? $54. You see, $54. So it means that like my next trade will be $58 and I'm building it. So at the end of the year, I can build the $50 to less 1,000 or 10,000. So you have to know that like in a crypto arbitrage, the higher the capital, the higher the profit. So your as a beginner, your next move is what? To build your capital. Don't think about withdrawing your money and chopping the money. No. You have to think about rebuilding the capital. So when the capital is built and you're trading with huge capital, you'll be enjoying the profit. So that's how it goes. So let's say if you build a capital to $1,000, use something $1,000 here, and I come to sell it over here. $1,000, I'm making $98.88. $98.88. I'm missing it. So it means that I'm making huge profit on $1,000. I'm making $98. So imagine if in the month I trade 5 times, how much am I in? You see, yeah. So as a beginner, one thing that you have to concentrate is like building your capital. Yeah, and you also have to know when you're buying it. People don't know how to buy and how to sell using this limit order, market order, and stuff. We have a way to buy. That's why I'm saying that, yo, bro, as a beginner, you can't do this thing alone. You need someone to guide you. When you come here to talk, people say, nah, yo, like, you always talk about, you, like, if you're making money, why do you do mentorship and stuff, bro? Mentorship is also side of the business. Dangote is the richest man in Africa, and he has multiple sources of income. So that's how it is. Don't let someone deceive you that like these people they are chopping your mentorship fee and stuff. When that's why my mentorship, my mentorship. If you sign in for my mentorship and you want me to skip, I don't skip. I start everything from scratch so that at the end of the day, if you also acquire the knowledge, you can also mentor people as well. Mentorship is part of the business. Don't let anybody lie you that like we trade, make money, we do content and mentorship, because you have to pay for the time as well. It's all business, bro. Yeah. So if you can't afford a mentorship, this month 29th, I'm having a class like with a lot of people. You can ask your questions and stuff, and we will get to you and we'll show you everything. That's how it is. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. As always, I'm Crypto Lord, and don't forget to follow me and don't forget to subscribe.